So he's doing pretty good. Mama's siphoned, Daddy's feeding.
What Mama doesn't know is this is the beginning of the end for Mama and Mac time.
Nuh-uh.
Every day she can get a little bit less time with him until finally he just completely leaves home.
See how much he's eaten. We'll probably have to burp him because he'll suck all that down.
But I didn't want to make you mad here, I think. I'm going to pull this out of your mouth, okay? I can hear it going in his belly. So belly's making noises like, whoa. Hang on, hang on. Hang on. Hang on, Greedy. Hang on, Greedy. Okay, okay, come here, come here. Mama says we got a burpee.
How much is he eating?
I have no idea.
Well, pick up the bottle.
It was like measured. How full was it? I don't know.
Oh, there was 3 ounces in there.